So where does it come from?
So these are all Gringo. I just ordered them. Just ordered them. Actually, they was custom made. So, but
So do you drive in them?
oh, absolutely, absolutely.
Okay.
So I do have some that has flames and the guitars up the side. Might wear them tomorrow.
Okay, so let's see your fancy one.
So these are my eel skin. I do drive in them too.
Wow. Oh my God. Do they sell them here in Kentucky somewhere?
Well, these are Dan Post. Those are Dan Post boots.
Wow. Fancy schmancy. Look at that.
I'm a boot connoisseur. Oh my gosh. Love boots. But that's just a ritual that I do.
Wow.
I've done it ever since the first time I ever drove a truck.
So
What I
let
do.
me ask you, how many more years you think you're gonna be on the road?
I'm hoping at least probably 5 to 7 years.
5 to 7 years. How does your family support you being away? You on the road?
Well, actually, my mother-in-law lives with us. My husband lost his father about a few years back, and she lives with us. So my husband, I'm the one that's out working, and he stays home and takes care of everything. Big support system for me.
Okay.
Very big support
So
system.
when you come on that Saturday, Sunday, are they pamper you? Are they serving the food for
Absolutely.
you? Right?
Honey, I don't do nothing when I go home.
Well, you work hard 5 days a week.
I do it, and he does it all. He takes care of the house, the yard, the cars. I grocery shop and pay bills. That's all I do.
And you shop for boots.
Shop for boots.
So if I would ask you this, let's say some young girls or maybe women in the middle age or maybe a little bit older women are considering to go on the truck. Because situation nowadays in country is stressful, right?
Oh, yeah.
It's no jobs. Do you think that this is something that they can actually achieve and make a steady income?
Absolutely, absolutely. The biggest thing is get with a company that cares about you.
Okay.
And
So
this is
you
that-
so you would recommend
Oh,
Walmart?
absolutely, honey. I don't know if I could drive for another company after driving for Walmart. And I've been fortunate. This is only the second company I've ever worked for. We worked for little mom and pops, me and my husband team. Done that for almost 12 years. And he got out of the truck. I stayed in it. And I'll never forget the day I got the call from Walmart. Actually, I was going to Texas, I was going to be a car hauler. I was going to haul cars. Is what I was going to do. I was leaving in 2 days. And Walmart called me to come here, and I made the choice to come here. Smartest choice I've ever made. It's just they take care of your drivers and stuff.
So what about their trainings and their maintenance program? Do they take care of you guys on the road?
Absolutely. Let me ask you something. How many times have you ever see a Walmart truck broke down on the road?
Well, probably not that often because you guys have enough capacity to actually
Absolutely.
give the different.
Well,
driver.
they're top notch. I mean, if something's wrong, they're on it. They're on it before you even leave the DC.
Well, and that's why they're so big, and that's why we have Walmart everywhere.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Well, thank you so much for sharing this, and well, we're gonna see you next year in a new boots.
You ain't lying, honey. Well, come by tomorrow. I'll be in new boots tomorrow too.
I will stop by.
I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll bring my flaming guitar boots for you tomorrow.
Okay, we're gonna stop by, and I'm gonna look today in the town. Maybe I can find the boots.
There you go.
Because I always wanted to buy one, and I never.
Darling, I probably own 30 pair of boots. I'm a boot connoisseur. When I buy boots, I buy like 3 pair at a time. That might be 5 years before I buy another pair. But when I buy,
that's what